Kia ora. I'm Sharon Holt, who does pronunciation signpost, and we have a request tonight from Graham Oliver, who's asked for the pronunciation of these two places. This is the site where Palmerston North is now, and some people call Palmerston North this word, and this is a place in Northland. So the key to pronouncing either of these, and any word in Te Reo Māori, is to remember the vowels. A, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. That's that simple. Just remember that and you can't really go wrong. So the other thing to do is to put a break after every vowel, just to break a word down and make it easier to say. Pa, pa, I, o, e, a. Papaioea. So what normally happens is this turns into I, because it A-I together, which rhymes with kai, is always I. So pai, kai, wai, tai, all those sounds together. Ngai. So papai, papaioea, papaioea, papaioea. Beautiful word. And the second one, remember the vowels? This is u. I think people often call this Ngunguru. However, this is always u. U, u, u. So it's going to be ngu, 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 ru. They all rhyme with each other. Each of the three syllables. Ngunguru, ngunguru. Papaioea and ngunguru. I'm happy to take any more requests for pronunciation of our place names in New Zealand or any other words in New Zealand that are Māori, and I'm happy to do that for you. So just put them on the Facebook page and I'll do my best. Ka kite.